Hi guys, welcome to our video today and our YouTube channel, of course, Audience Connect. If you haven't subscribed as yet, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell because we release videos every now and then that are gonna add so much value in your life. And I think we just published our 100th video, so there's so much value on our YouTube channel. So make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new content that we're gonna be putting out there. Right, on the video today I'm gonna show you how you can make $100, right? Yes, you heard me right. I can make $100 and more. Now let's look at this. This is Fiverr, right? The platform, one of the most popular freelancing platform in the world, worldwide, right? And what I did, I went, as you can see here, I've not logged in. I've got an account, of course. I also sell my services there, but I'm not logged in, right? So what I did, I searched the YouTube intro video. One of the things that currently, a lot of people, they are looking for it, because here's the thing, right? Video marketing is one of the growing marketing right now, and if you don't get into it, you are missing out. You see, you need to know what is currently growing, what is currently gaining momentum, and currently is video. People are getting into video. If you look at how many people are releasing videos, for example, on YouTube, Vimeo, video marketing, it is just growing. Advertising revenue on YouTube, it is growing like crazy. It just shows that people have just realized that people are finding videos to be the most engaging. Big business, big companies are getting into video marketing space. They are opening YouTube channels, trying to push their videos. And because for a lot of people, video marketing is a new space, this is where you're gonna come in, because there's some of the things that they don't know how to do them, and this is where you can, with your skills, you can bring your skills and offer the services using the platform like Fiverr, right? If you haven't signed up on Fiverr, you can just use the link in my description to sign up today, or you can go to fiverr.com, whatever works for you. Right now, I want you to look at this now. Here I search Fiverr, right? Look at this here, right? Obviously this is in range like 1.9. It's obviously over $100, so you can definitely make more than $100 by what? Creating intro videos. So some, as you can see here, right, I will create a stunning logo, and so this one creates a logo and obviously an intro, right? Look at this one. I'll create an intro video trailer with a logo, animation, right? And look at this, look at the reviews. So obviously it's more than 139 people. Some of them, they just didn't have time to review, but it just shows that people are really getting into video space, and they are willing to pay over $100 to have someone who will create a video intro for them, right? It can be a YouTube one, or videos are not only used on YouTube, it can be used also on a website, maybe on Vimeo or other platform, but YouTube is just one of the biggest platform that hosts videos, right? So if you this is a very, very, very good opportunity, and you might be saying right now that this video is not for me. I don't know how to create a YouTube intro video. Well, stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how to easily create a YouTube intro video within minutes with so much less effort. You don't need any video editing skills, you don't need any qualification. Stay tuned. On this video I'm going to show you how to create an intro and outro video for a YouTube, right? Or any video that people they want to make. And I'm just giving you an idea of by just making all this intro, outro, this is how much you can make, right? This is how much you can make. I mean, it will depend how much you like to make, but obviously if you're starting on Fiverr, you want to start with just maybe $100 and grow to maybe selling your services to $200 but I'm just showing you that people are definitely willing to buy. This one has got 5-star reviews. This one has got 150 people reviewed him. It means that people are buying, and this is definitely in demand. Now let's check the platform that you need to use to create video intro. The name of it's English. The name of the platform is invideo.io, right? Invideo.io is a platform where you can create videos. They have about, I think, over 5,000 templates if I'm not mistaken, right? But they've been around for a while, and InVideo just makes it easier for just users to create videos even though they don't have an experience. This is one of the growing video editing platform that I am seeing. The good thing about it is that it's online, right? It means that your things that you can save them online, and what you can do, you can open an account on Fiverr, and just like this guy's here, say that you'll create an intro outro videos for them and can start at $100, right? After then you come on invideo.io, open an account. Opening an account is definitely free for for opening an account on video, and you can get started today now, right, by going to invideo.io. Now I'm gonna show you once you logged in, right, your dashboard or just the home page. Once you logged in, right, it's gonna look like this, right? Now you can even book a free webinar just to go through the whole platform if you want to understand anything. But the platform is super easy to use and user friendly. Now once you logged in, you're gonna want to go here on categories. As you can see here, they have, and in fact it's super popular, so it just shows you that intro and outro videos, they are popular right now, and if you don't grab this opportunity now, you'll be missing out. I mean, those things, they have seasons, they have their time. After a year or 2 years, people, maybe they will know how to make their intro or outro videos themselves, and they won't need freelancers like yourself and myself, right? So now jump on this. Once you logged in for free and open an account, you want to go here on brand intro and outro videos, and I'm going to show you that InVideo has got one of the best templates that you can use, like the best, right? And here's the good thing, right? They even have different sizes. I mean, this one's 1x1 square is the sizes that you can use on TikTok or maybe for YouTube shorts, but this one's here definitely you can use for creating for normal maybe a YouTube channel, right? YouTube videos, right? Yeah, and these are the templates you can see here. If such intros and logos revealed, currently it shows 247 templates found. So this is a lot, and as you can see here, I mean, these are some of the intros here. This one for gamer, so they have different one. If you want intro for fashion, intro for store, as you can see here on this intro here, you can add YouTube handle and also Insta handle here. This one here is an intro for gamer, so on this intros, there's just a lot. You will decide which one you like to use. This one here, it also looks nice. You can add all your social media handles. This one is for a restaurant or for food, so you can approach a restaurant and say, hey, I can definitely create an intro for you for your restaurant, and that you have a platform like this, right? And by the way, if you are an InVideo user, all these are free and are accessible to you. All you need to do is just open a free account with them, and they also have like some super nice outros like this one here. As you can see, it's for YouTube, for gym, right? This is an outro when the videos ended. It says here, thank you for watching, and it shows some other nice videos that someone can watch here. So this is just so nice. Look at this. Let's look at this. This is just proper, right? This is just so proper. If you can see here, just add video, and you'll have obviously access to edit these social media handles. There's just a lot of them, guys. Go check them out. But then you can start making $100 today by just following all the steps that I've shown you in this video. Otherwise, this was the video of today, guys. Let me know if you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, I will see you on the next one. Until then, keep safe. Ciao.